Good early morning. We are so glad you're here.
We did it well. So if you like this video, come back tomorrow.
It's early, but not as early as a RunDisney early.
She's so tired.
She's so tired. She needs to go back to sleep.
I'm in love with you.
It's a cool morning here. We should turn this corner and see a bunch of tents over in the park. Oh, we're parked a little further away. Here's what we were talking about. We got Park Avenue shut down.
We were only like a block away.
We were only a block away.
We found all the fun stuff.
We did.
Wait, what time does it start?
7:30. We got 40 minutes.
Oh.
And there's not really like,
Time.
I think there are corrals. It depends. If they did it like Halloween, there's gonna be like mini corrals. But this is awesome. I love that this is like a food oriented one and we had no idea.
Yeah.
And I love that.
Like food?
Yeah.
Little like logos of food even on the shirt.
So that'll be fun to explore and like get the little tasters after. But it's so cool that like this is such a fun community event and it's the same people that help direct, that don't help, but they do direct the RunDisney events.
It's cool because like this is where you run to train.
Uh-huh.
And there's so many runs here. Here, this little map shows all the tents. And the tents even are marked if there's vegan stuff there.
Before the race starts, I gotta show the stage because the DJ up there, the MC, is one of the MCs from the RunDisney events. So that's awesome. Alright, so we just met our friend Jared, finally, in real life. Hoping his family is here at the end.
Yeah, we got 10 minutes to the start. The starting line's right here and the finish line's right here. So it's easy, it's just like Epcot.
And I don't want to get in because there's 10 minutes, but it looks like it's filling in, so I think I need to go in the corral.
I didn't bring Eve, and I'm regretting every minute I went. I want her here.
I know, why didn't we think of that? She was so tired though.
You're right.
She'd be like...
No, she would be so excited.
Yeah.
We're at 10, everyone, 10 seconds, and we'll get you out on the course, having some fun right here at your Park Ave. Experience the taste. 5K. Runners, set. Go, everybody. Have a great race out there. We'll see you back in just a little while for lots more kicking, lots more grooving. Right here at the post-race line. Of 15:31, so awesome. Right there in our second place male, making it look just as fantastic, crossing that line, just seconds behind him. Come on, Anya, great job, girl. Congratulations, your top female across the line right there. Well, you got just a few more seconds to get in under the unofficial time of 25 minutes. Let's push it on in. Don't stop, give it everything you got.
Go, Peter!
I ate the ground.
When?
I wasn't paying attention when we transitioned to pavement to cobblestone. I just ate it.
goodness.
Flew across the ground.
Oh my god. This is nice.
Yeah.
So Peter fell down.
I fell down.
Are you bleeding?
My elbow too.
You got a hole in it. This
I got a hole? Oh man.
Right here because we're making a line after.
You killed it. You finished in less than 25 minutes.
Like what? With like 4 seconds to spare? There was a guy right on the corner. He was like, "Who's got to kick it? Who's got to kick it? Let's go!" And like 7 of us started sprinting, and then I think that's why I almost got sick. It was good though. All right, since this line for coffee is a little longer, Sarah's gonna go try to beat the rush and take 2 of the tickets and get some food.
Yeah, eat your banana.
That was quick. What is that?
I thought it was vegan because it says bacon, but it's mushroom. It's soba noodles. This is for you.
Thanks. Where's it from?
Oh man, that's
Hungry Pants?
Hungry Pants.
Hungry Pants. So Sarah's gotten now 3 things. Because one of the places stopped carrying out tickets. Vegan empanada from...
Black bean deli.
Yes. Which we want to go to soon because it's near us.
Look how delicious it is. It's really good.
And an acai bowl.
Yeah. And they stopped taking the tickets, so I kept the ticket and they said we could come back for more.
So the Foxtail's got cold brew, Krispy Kreme. Look at all those Krispy Kremes. My knee is starting to throb.
Uh-oh.
And I realized I looked at it. It's more cut up than it looks like because the leggings are covering it.
Yeah. We'll go home soon. Look at that fancy coffee.
No, this is like...
Legit.
It's cold brew, almond milk.
Oh, pinky up.
Pinky up. Oh, it's good.
We're gonna go get.
It's the best run 5K. If you ever in the area, do the Taste of Park Avenue 5K because. So we got $5 off of being an ambassador, but still,
Yeah.
it was only I think 35 like last minute sign up,
Yeah.
and we're getting like $20 worth of
Deliciousness.
delicious
Really
food.
good
That's
quality
local,
stuff.
too. Like,
Yeah.
this is down the street. That's the
All of it
place
is.
right next to it. You know, all of it's within a couple blocks of here.
Yeah. And here is where we got the acai bowls. Peter just went and got his own. Here's the running series. This is the one we're at now. So there's 2 more this year. Ooh. Our last little bit of food from the Dandelion Cafe where we went the other day. Dandelion Community Cafe. This is the foxtail line. Ah! Good call getting in line right away. Hi! Come on! Come on! Hi! Hi! Go get him! Oh, you wanted more lemons from me? Okay. Go get Peter. Go get him. Go get him.
All right, dishes have been done. Just got some YouTube on in the background, some trail hiking and running videos. Sarah's just about getting the video set. Is it live yet?
It's live, yeah. I'm just posting on Instagram and stuff.
She's gonna do some fertility yoga, Zen,
Some meditation. I think I'm gonna get my nails done.
and you're gonna get your nails done. I'm gonna read in a minute, but first I'm just gonna fiddle. You know, it's been over a month now. We haven't yet gone to Best Buy yet. We have no insurance on it. I'm gonna fiddle for a minute. So the idea is the camera works fine. It's just the screen that doesn't seem to work. All right, here's the inside of the screen of an M50. This right here. Pop that off. Got 6 screws that I took off. Time to do some investigating and seeing if any of these hinges have dislodged or anything. All right, so a little bittersweet. So far, I haven't seen anything that's like a severed connection or anything, but I got the whole back panel off here. The back of the screen is off, panel's off. So now I'm just gonna go through and make sure everything looks clean and nothing looks damaged. But that's kind of a bummer. I was hoping to like see something like, oh, this thing is disconnected. It got dislodged. Let's plug that back in and maybe the screen will work. It's all back together. Moment of truth. My friends. I think it's back. I think it's back. I mean, like, only time will tell. It could freak out and stop working again. I don't know, but I think it is back. Ah! So,
Peter,
I think our camera's back. I think our camera's back in business. The
What'd
screen's
you do?
working.
You just like
I did
fixed it up some?
unplug two ribbon connections and re-put them in, but they didn't look loose to begin with. I don't know.
Well, I'm gonna do my yoga tonight as a calm down so I can go get my nails done. Also, it's an end of an era, people. Look at my jean jacket.
Uh-oh. She's taking all the buttons off.
I saw someone today with a pristine jean jacket and I was like,
We should have just gotten you a second jean jacket because everybody loves
this needs to be washed.
True.
Just saying.
Stinky.
It's not like it's just been a while.
I think I'm gonna read while you are doing this and then go get your nails done.
I always love to show this big old lake before I go in to get my nails done. Also, I'm sure you guys have seen my nails, but they are bad, so we're gonna do a before and after too. Before, here is after. I have to get my rings back on. My hand looks so weird without it, but they're kind of Halloween-y. But I just love black nails and I haven't had them in forever. And this is just like a normal manicure. So the next time I wait too long to get one, it doesn't look so crazy and I can just take it off myself. I'm back. I vlogged my nails.
Oh, you did? Mm-hmm. Let me see them. Oh, you went tipped? First time, right?
No, they're not tipped. These are my real nails.
Oh.
I've done tips before, but like in high school. But the mat like shows the imperfections and my nails are super thin and one already got messed up.
That's okay.
But it was just a plain manicure, so it wasn't as expensive. So I bought nail polish at Whole Foods to like do a layer over to try and solve it. But I didn't show any of this.
What is this food? They got an organic energy drink?
Yeah, there's soup. And then there's all sorts of stuff. Oh, there's plantains. This is like basically samosa, but without the breading. Rice, veggies. This is like a tofu stroganoff, and then a chicken salad.
Looks divine.
It is so weird to have the camera again.
One, we realized we never told you guys what we were doing today. And two, it is so weird to be vlogging outside with a camera again. It feels great.
It's really so weird. But we are, we're meeting up with Deb and some friends to celebrate his birthday.
The boy is a year older today.
Yeah.
But even though he may be...
I was a year older than you. I was like, he's younger than
No,
us.
I was going to say, even though he's like 2 feet taller than me, I am, I think, 2 years older than him. So remember that, Dev. Remember that. Wow. Isn't this a beauty of a park? Sun getting ready for golden hour. You know what? I think it is the most beautiful park of the four.
It's so gorgeous.
Like, just overall,
Yeah.
the most beautiful.
And just like the details and the just loveliness. Like there's a snake on the corner of the building.
There's a snake in my boot?
No, on the corner of the building.
In my boot? The luck, 2 times in a row now. Last time we were at Animal Kingdom, now this time. The wild beast presents itself. There he is. Look at him go.
Look who I found, the birthday boy.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. I'm
It's
so
so
excited.
fun.
We're here at Animal Kingdom.
And we just stopped at, is this called Restaurantasaurous still, or is this, it's the lounge next to
I want to
Restaurantasaurous.
say it's the lounge, but it's still a restaurant.
What did you get to drink here?
You know, I don't know what I got. I saw Peter say get whatever you want, and then I saw the guy ahead of me order it, and I'm like, that looks good. I'll have that.
I already struggle enough with getting Peter in my shot, let alone Deb.
There you go.
So we didn't get to hang out with Deb, Bianca, and company as long as we wanted to.
Their little reservation got bumped up.
They were going to Tusker House to enjoy and celebrate Deb's birthday, so give him a shout out down below. Happy birthday. I'm sure you guys know he has a YouTube channel, but check it out if you haven't. And
We gotta go grocery shopping.
we have to go grocery shopping. So we need to leave Animal Kingdom so that we can enjoy the next 2 days fully with full kitchen stock.
I kind of just want to like people watch for a little before we go.
I feel like that's a good thing to do at Discovery at, like the front. Not this is Discovery. What's that thing called? Does it have a name? The front portion, the park entrance, but it's like weird. It's like a little section before the rest.
It's like an oasis. Actually, look at this.
Steve asked me if were at Epcot for the festival, and it makes me upset that it's now going on the close of day 2 of Festival of the Art, and we haven't been there yet.
I know. But we'll probably.
We need to sing along.
It's called Oasis.
Is it really?
Yeah. My heart knew.
I love that this camera's back alive, and I don't understand why it's back alive, but it's back alive.
We just want to ask questions.
We'll just keep our fingers crossed it stays alive. We are just people watching at the entrance of Animal Kingdom,
I'm like
Disney's Animal Kingdom.
trying to avoid grocery shopping / see if I can get like a really great fast pass and like head back in. But we need to go grocery shopping.
I want to go to Disney Springs and go watch a movie. If we get groceries that allow us to sit in the car, can we?
What are we gonna get? Cans? We get a lot of cans, but all cans?
So we're at our old Aldi, having major flashbacks because this is literally the one that was right down the street from our old apartment. We literally grabbed almost one of every single produce item.
Veggie, so many greens. We decided like we're probably like a week out from meds starting again, so we're gonna get in our back to our baby making diet mode.
And then, because we're just going to be super healthy in general, and I've been reading a lot of my Scott Jurek book, and he's a super vegan,
Yeah, we need to get.
food.
I feel like sometimes we need to shop with more recipes in mind instead of just like getting stuff, but we got the basics.
Today we're just getting stuff, but it's all basics that we can saute up and.
Well, maybe let's get
switch it
some tortillas or tostadas.
We need to hit up our can section for our beans and tomatoes.
Yeah. Okay, our well, it's not really our Aldi anymore, but it's Aldi we like. Finally seeing some plant-based things, right?
Yeah,
Some
this is just
tofu.
egg. I've never had it. It kind of freaks me out. But this is made from plants. Egg.
We went a little bit over what we wanted to spend, but I think we got way more food than we expected to.
Yeah, we did. It's a great trip.
Great trip, great trip. Scenery change.
There was no good road snacks for us to eat on the way home, so we had
That's
to
not why we're here. We're here for bananas, tomatoes, and soap.
Yeah, and environmentally friendly soaps. We are unloading the massive haul right now. Veggies, fruits, produce, all that good stuff. Took Evie on a walk. Got this veggie lovers pizza right there, vegan. We got a little bit early because what are we doing tomorrow?
We're going on Rise of the Resistance again.
With?
Tyler. Yeah, he's never been, so it'll be fun to see his reaction.
I think I need one of those Pepsis. Right, Neil, please. Thank you. That wasn't as dramatic as I thought it was going to be.
He got it all the way on me.
Did not realize my hair looked like this underneath my hat, but you had to see this pizza. It looks absolutely delicious. My mouth is salivating now that I've seen it. Look at this delicious looking pizza. I think I'm just gonna chop it in 4 and we can eat half.
January 18th. Try to make at least one person happy every day. If you cannot do a kind deed, speak a kind word. If you cannot speak a kind word, think a kind thought. Count up if you can the treasure of happiness you would dispense in a week, in a year, in a lifetime. Lawrence G. Lovisick.
My friends, I did it. I had that bittersweet sadness about finishing a book because it was such a great book to read.
Yeah.
But we have to get up early.
I'm
So
happy
we
you
gotta go
finished
to
it
bed.
though.
Yeah, thanks. I'm not a good reader, guys. Just FYI, I'm a super slow reader.
Even since you were 5 years old.
Yes. And now that I'm 28, I still can't read well.
Well, at least you're reading and you're
Yeah.
feeling good about it. It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.